Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you all? I hope everyone is well. Today I'll let you know what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that you can buy, sell and exchange directly without an intermediary like a bank. Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto originally described the need for an electronic payment system based on cryptographic proof instead of trust. Every Bitcoin transaction that's ever been made exists on public ledger accessible to everyone, making transactions hard to reverse and difficult to fake. That's by design. Core to their decentralized nature, Bitcoins are not backed by the government or any issuing institution, and there's nothing to guarantee their value besides the proof baked in the heart of the system. Since its public launch in 2009, Bitcoin has risen dramatically in value, although it once sold for under 150 per coin. As of June 8, 1 Bitcoin equals around 30,200 because its supply is limited to 21 million coins. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin is built on a distributed digital record called a blockchain. As the name implies, blockchain is a linked body of data made up of units called blocks containing information about each transaction, including date and name, total value buyer and seller, and a unique identifying code for each exchange. Entries are strong, total and chronological order, creating a digital chain of blocks. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it becomes accessible to anyone who wishes to view it, acting as a public ledger of cryptocurrency transactions, says Stacey Harris, consultant for Pelican, a network of cryptocurrency ATMs. So far today, so I will try to come up with something better in the future. Everyone will be fine and take care of self. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.